AVG antivirus is one really powerful tool, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use its VPN on your phone. So it contains so much, guys, and one of them is actually a VPN that you can use for your phone. So you want to open up the AVG antivirus and click on explore, scroll down, and you will find an option that says VPN secure connection. You can tap on that, and from here you can go ahead and use unlimited VPN. However, you require to have at least upgraded plan. So you can say get unlimited VPN, and you will need to just upgrade to one of those plans so that you can start using it. So once you have one of those plans, you can now use their fast VPN and have unlimited usage out of that. So you will be able to turn it on, your phone will connect to its VPN, and you can use VPN there. And you can see right here as well that once you have that, you'll be able to change your location, and you can see that it's going to auto connect when you're on a public Wi-Fi right there, so you can toggle on that feature as well. So that's it, guys. You're able to use the AVG antivirus to connect to VPN on your phone.